In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can adjust your Python formula timeout settings in Microsoft Excel. So to do this, you want to go to File, then go all the way down to Options. From here, you're going to go to the middle and click on Advanced. Now start scrolling until you get over to when calculating this workbook. Going to select, it's going to default to the workbook that you're in, but you can select another workbook if you want to. And then from here, you can adjust your Python formula timeout in seconds. So it can be 15 seconds, you can have 45 seconds, but the default is 30 seconds. So you can like adjust it if you want to give your functions more time to process, but you can make it shorter if you just have a lot of things going on and you want it to time out quicker and maybe work through errors quicker. You can also automatically show Python diagnostics pane or not by clicking on this box. That's it. I hope you found this short tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.